Okay. Um, Malin computes the mean mu and the median m and the modes of 365 values that are the dates of the month of 2019, right? Thus, her data consists of 12 ones, 12 twos, and then 12 28, and then 11 29s, 11 30s, and 7 31s, right? Let D be the median of the modes. Or therefore, let D be the medians of the mode. Which of the following statement is true? Or therefore, I think in this case, can you see that we need to understand this idea of D, which is the median of the mode, median of the mode. Then can you see that the what are the mode? Because you have 12 ones, right? 12 1, 12 2, right? All the way to what? All the way to 12 of 28. Therefore, can you see that all these 28 numbers are mode? Because why? They appear 12 times. Therefore, they are the mode, right? Because 12 months. 1 to 28 appear 12 times and they are the mode. And in this case, what is the median of this mode? What is the median of this mode? Therefore, let's be very clear. Can I say that this is 1, 1 all the way to 1? Can you see that this is actually 12 times, right? And then after that, 2, 2 all the way to 2. This one also appear 12 times, right? Appear 12 times. Therefore, can you see that this go on all the way to 14? And then your 14 also appear 12 times. And then we look at 15. It go all the way to 15, right? And it appear 12 times. And this thing happen all the way until you get 28. And then 28 all the way. This 28 also appear 12 times. Therefore, by the median concept, we know that the median of this number, which are the mode, right? The median is here. Can you see that? The median is here. The median of all this number is here, right? And this median is denoted by D. Therefore, immediately you can see that, and can you see that all these are even number, right? Therefore, this median is actually 14 plus 15 divided by 2, and that will be just 14.5. Or at least now I understand this idea. I got the value of D, which is actually 14.5. 14.5. Therefore, take note, this is an important number. At least now you know the value of D, right? Okay, then let's look at the median of 360, whereby the M is the median, right? Median of the 360 values, which are the dates of 2019, right? Therefore, in this case, can you see that? Let's do a rough estimation. Let's look at the rough estimation. Then in this case, can you see that if you think that the median is around 15, the median is around 15, then can you see that basically, isn't that 15? That means from 1 all the way to 15, all the way to 15, right? And because 1 appear 12 times, 2 appear 12 times, and then 3 appear 12 times, right? Therefore, in this case, can you see that where is the median? Isn't that it is actually 5, 15 times 12, that give you a value which is 180. But 100, that means in this case, if I just count 1 all the way to 15, each of the 1 appear 12 times, each of the 2 appear 12 times, and each of the all the way until 15, each of the 15 appear 12 times. Then in this case, what is the total number of days for all these 1 to 15? It will be, they will account for 180 days. But 180 days is less than 365 divided by 2, right? Therefore, if I include one more date, which is 16, that means 16 also also appear 12 times. Therefore, in this case, 16 times 12, that give you what? 192. Then 192 is actually greater than 365. Agree now? 365. 365 divided by 2. Therefore, the median of the whole year, which is 365 days, should be just equal to 16. Agree now? That means you arrange them. That means what I'm trying to say is that, can you see that you arrange them? That means in this case, can you see that 1, you have 12 of them, right? And then 2, you have 12 of them. Or you go all the way to 15, you have 12 of them. Or you have 12 of them. It only give you 180 days, which is less than half of the 365 day. Therefore, you should include 16, right? But if you include 16, then you actually accounted for 192 days. Therefore, your median, which is the 365 days, must appear here. Therefore, the median is definitely the median of 365 days would be just equal to 16. Right? Okay, then let's understand the idea of mean. Mean of these 365 days. The mean of these 365 days. When we look at this mean of the 365 days, right? Okay, we may not be able to calculate the value because in this case, maybe a bit complicated. We just do a estimation. If every month has 28 days, right? If every month has 28 days, then in this case, what is the mean? What is the mean? That means in this case, the mean will be what? The mean will be just equal to 14.5. Why? Why do we say that is 14.5? That means in this case, can you see that you will have 1 which appear 12 days, right? And then your 2 which appear 12 days, 12 times, right? And then can you see that you go all the way to 14, right? 14. This is also appear 12 times. Then after that, you look at 15. This appear also 12 times, right? 15, it appear 12 times, right? 12 times. Then it will go all the way to 28. It will go all the way to 28. Go all the way to 28. All the way to 28, right? Then in this case, you can do a pairing. That means in this case, you can always take note it's mean. It's not median. We're calculating mean. We are calculating mean. That means in this case, can you see that each pair is actually 29? Therefore, in this case, can you see that I can say that this number 1 paired with 28. Take note, this is appearing 12 times, right? 1 plus 28, that will give me 12 by 2, that will just give me 14.5, right? Therefore, can you see that each one I pair with 1 always pair with 28, and then your 2 pair with 27. Therefore, can you see that the average of all these numbers is actually 14.5. Okay, therefore, but the thing is, in actual fact, some months, in fact, every month we end with 30 or 31st. Therefore, in this case, the mean of 365 days is actually this mean mu must be greater than 14.5, or because we have month, every month is actually 30 days or 31 days, right? Or 31 days. Therefore, but now with this estimation, we know that the mean, which is mu, must be greater than 14.5. Okay, therefore now we look at another estimation. If every month has 31 days, right? Have 31 days. Have 31 days, right? Then I would say that the mean would be just equal to 16. Or the mean would be just equal to 16. Or this one is a lot easier to see because you know why? Again, same idea. Your 1 appeared 12 times, right? Your 1 appeared 12 times. Your 2 appeared 12 times. Or it go all the way to 15. All the way to 15. Can you see that this is 12 times? And then you look at 16, 12 times. And then you go all the way. You go all the way to 31st. Huh? Or 31st also appeared 12 times, right? Therefore, in this case, if you look at this part here, here got 15. This side here also got 15, right? Also got 15. And again, the pairing idea. Can you see that your 1 can always be paired with 31st, right? Your 1 can always pair with 31st. 1 plus 31st divided by 2, that will give you 16. Therefore, again, every pairing. And 16 itself is really 16, right? Therefore, in this case, mean must be equal to 16. But the thing is, we have month that is having only 30 days. Therefore, now we know that the mean is definitely less than 16, right? Therefore, and can you see that in this case, your mean is greater than 14.5, but this 14.5 is actually the D, right? And then and we know that this 16 less than 16, right? This 16 is the median of the whole calendar year. Let's drop the number. That means the mean. Okay, you see that the mean is greater than D and less than M. Therefore, the answer is E. Maybe you can go back and check that the answer is E. Therefore, in this case, can you see that can you see that, take note class, when you calculate the mean, you can see that you can punch in the calculator and then do divided by the total, which is 365 days. But the thing is, you don't have calculator when you do the competition. Therefore, you have to do an estimation. Okay, therefore, with that, I think I will stop here. Yeah, the answer is E.